Take one, the blizzard, Monday. Woo! Brr, cool. Jordan, stop. Take one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is my room, and not Jordan's. This is my bed.
It's on my side.
Okay. Here's my trophies, my Legos, my spaceship set, my police set, and my
Grant, what do you push to use?
space police.
Grant, wait a second.
Here's my Ren and Stinky poster.
Grant, what did you push on the camera again?
Who cut the cheese, man? Here's my video collection. And here's my cup collection. They're all here.
And here's Aladdin.
This is my bottom shelf. My tapes are usually there. My desk is messy, as you see.
Okay.
Oh, come over here. Our tiny library. Here's some books that Aunt Sandy sent us.